Okay, well here's the garage with the customized bike rack. We got our little hydraulic motor and frame, and right now I just have a little up and down button, but I was going to put that over on the side. So we just push this, bikes come down. They can come down almost all the way if I wanted them to. And you just take the bike off and put it on. I can hold, right now I got it set up for 6 bikes. And when you get the bike on, just and as you can see, it's pretty high, so it definitely gets out of the way. I like it. I think it worked out pretty well. You can see it doesn't interfere with anything. Oh yeah, here's the shelves I put in, or cabinets. And then I have, here's the ones I set up for the bike that are sort of the deep shelves. Stuff I need when I go out for a ride. And then tubes, tires. Nice thing is I can stand them up, so it worked out pretty well. As you can see, it's fairly deep and fairly long. It's got the auto close, which is pretty cool. And in here I just have the open shelves for helmets and bags and tires. Toolbox, stand, truck, Ricky's addition to my truck, dent. I think I'm going to leave it there just to remind him that he'll see it every day when he walks out here with his. Okay, that's it.